we need to check the suspension, the fork seals as well. One is definitely leaking. My suspension is a little damaged as well. So yeah, let's see what we need to do now for this. Oh, I was tuning it. I tune like.
Yeah, we need to get out the suspension first. I'll take the tires and then the brake, all the plastics and top. But before you get it out the suspension, please open the top, because it's a little difficult on the ground if you try to open. So the first we are taking out the dirt oil.
The smell is terrible.
But it looks like mud.
Sorry, 14. Sorry.
So you should decide which number do you need.
So we're opening to suspension.
Yeah, okay. Now it's okay.
Now we need to take out all the rings. But it's very important which one is first, so don't forget.
Okay, this is the first. This is the first.
1, 2,
second,
3. And if you put like this, it's more
second,
easy to
third,
remember.
and the last oil seal.
Now we clean very well. Suspension to clean with sandpaper. That's so thin. When you're putting all the rings, yeah, it's more easy if you use a stretch. A little oil. It's going so fast and easy. Yeah, just be careful when you're doing this. But if you push a lot, you can give it damage. Then check how much oil you need. Our motorcycle use different left and right suspension. So of course we need to calculate. And put oil slowly, and sometimes move the suspension to make sure that all oil is going down.
Still like this 700.
Like this, this one like this.
Yeah, yeah. The other side is basically not suspension.
We change the fork seal and then oil. So time to close the suspension again.
Smile.